How to add an email or phone number to your Apple ID. Do you want to add an additional email or phone number to your Apple ID for better account management or recovery purposes? This guide will walk you through the steps to add an email address or phone number to your Apple ID. Let's get started. Step 1. Access Apple ID settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select Sign In and Security from the list of options. Here you can add email or phone number. Tap Add Email or Phone Number. Choose email address or phone number based on what you want to add. For adding either phone number or email address, we'll ask you to enter code. Once you simply add the code, then you will be able to add a phone number or email address to your iPhone. By following these steps, you'll successfully add an email or phone number to your Apple ID. Let me know if this guide helped you or if you have further questions.